Talio. Talio faster to the ball. Another quick layup.
That move, partner. The 2015 Lakers, Colina alone. Looks like.
Oh! Quezon wasn't expecting for the pass from Langahin. Talio with
That's the play.
turns the ball over, and here comes Talio with a spin move. What? 33. And nice defense here by the Cobras, and here comes Talio. And nice. Well, this is really a nice match. Talio drives. Yes, finally.
Transition of the fast break. That's how good a shooter he is.
Talio have the ball. Talio, good crossover. Oh!
To Talio. Screen from Inzuzi. 5 seconds. Step back jumper. Talio. He made
of the Southwestern University Cobras. And now Talio. Talio tries a 3. And he hit. Now Talio. Down to 2. Down to 1. Talio for 3. And he hit.
Lose to Talio. 2 seconds. Talio takes a 3. And he makes it. To lose. Back to Talio. Talio crossover. 3-pointer. Yes!
Seconds in the first half. Talio, pull back. Oh, it's good.
Talio, 1 second. Oh, that.
It's also hard to beat this team, right? No?
Oh, they look like a complete.
Oh, what a show off by Mark Talio. Pass it to Quinte.
That's a good idea to have our own team here. To Talio. Talio against Gastador. Talio to Imperial. Imperial for 3.
Yes, now Talio. Talio drives. Good pass inside to Inzuzi. Inzuzi. And goal!
Inzuzi. Is strong. Guarded by Suerte. Talio.
Nice
Inzuzi.
pass.
Oh, that's good.
Sweet points.
Talio, hesitation. Nice pass to Quintin. And Sador with 5 points. While for the turnovers department, USJR committed 6 turnovers.
Side of this Warriors team is clicking so far.
Yeah, very effective here in the third quarter.
I think that
Back to Talio. Fake pass. Nice!
There was a foul. EUV.
Oh boy.
Talio. Oh!
Nice move by Talio. Foul.